Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers and dear friends, today I want to speak some words on the topic of importance of knowledge in Islam. My friends, knowledge is a key to success. Islam gives too much importance on seeking knowledge. Allah Almighty says in Holy Quran, وَقُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. It means, and say, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about it in these words, Talabul ilmi farizatun ala kulli muslim. It means seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.